So why would an operator choose to utilize high velocity thermal spray as opposed to the traditional or conventional techniques of weld overlay or organic coating? Well, HVTS is more efficient than weld overlay. We deliver the same result in upgrading the surface metallurgy, but because we're not creating a metallurgical bond with the substrate, we don't create heat affected zones and there's no requirement for post-weld heat treatment. So it's a faster application and a faster back to service time, so less downtime for the equipment. Organic coatings are limited by their operational parameters, so the maximum temperatures and the different chemical environments they can work in, and also are susceptible to damage. A metallic cladding, as opposed to an organic coating, is a much more robust and long-term solution that really delivers that long-term value and life cycle cost return for the operator.